Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, amid concern that the authorities appear to be losing the battle to dissuade teens from a life of crime, a promise for action by the government. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang announced that additional support will be provided to address the growing problem in communities like Grange, Westmoreland, where children are said to be recruited by scammers. The Grange Hill community in Westmoreland has been plagued by violence for several years, and despite the efforts of the security forces, the problem persists. Now, the issue has infiltrated schools
and causing significant disruption in those schools, where students are relocating from one school to the other, teachers are becoming fearful, and students are also somewhat fearful. But it's also important to come to Grange Hill today to demonstrate to the population that we are going to attack this problem frontally. We are going to be always out there to protect the students and the teachers and the community. And we are going to put every effort in apprehending and prosecuting those who are involved in criminal activity.
That stance from Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang comes a week after 16-year-old Carson Barrett, a student from the Grange Hill High School, was shot and killed outside the school gate. Another student was also injured. While the security forces intensify their operations, targeting the gangs creating mayhem in the community, Dr. Chang says programs aimed at families of teens are being implemented.
The introduction of advanced fee fraud, otherwise called scamming, has brought in a younger generation of people involved in breaching the law, in contact with the law. These are bright youngsters. They are kids of the digital generation, and therefore acquiring that very easily if they're misdirected to get involved in what is wrong in the use of their instruments. So we came here to reassure the population of the schools themselves that we're going to work with them to assist in redirecting these families.
For her part, Education Minister Fable Williams argued that the impact of violence in schools is concerning.
It detracts from what the students have to do when they come to school. It makes life for them fearful, and that's not what we want.
It's why the government says the guidance counselors will be working with case managers to tackle the problem.
While we want a plan with Superintendent Dobson and Commissioner sent here to take the ones out who have found the guns, we will counsel them, but when they start firing guns, we have to protect the people from them. On the other hand, we have the police find them and prosecute them as necessary. But we also take some who are not yet pulling the trigger into the case management system to give them training if they're out of school and to get their little ones in the school into a program that is designed to positively influence them.
Stakeholders in the education